In Iberia, there was a unique phenomenon that was seen somewhat in other places, but nowhere near as commonly, nor as expectedly. It went unremarked upon. Christians, Jews, and Muslims, not only living as neighbors, but helping one another with the harvest. The most backbreaking, difficult labor of the time. And they helped one another. What a miracle. Go out. See what the Lord hath contrived for his sons. Even now, neighbors all gather grapes as one tribe. No fire is set but for feast light. They dance free. No bile spat out, nor hemlock shared, but honey imbibed. Israel's sons, with strangers, sing sweet Zion's songs. The Gentiles' hymns, they care not to proscribe. Oh, Eladon, suspend heaven, preserve night, the moon shine on upon this sight I describe. The stars turn on, the harvest ends, as must be, yet miracle enough I already inscribe.